Making a home for Min Yoonji in my phone. Measure how big is the spaces. I'm doing this cause I stained my phone case badly. This is a soft leather, by the way. I'm using a B600 super glue. Then, I will cut the middle to make a window. I don't have a cutting mat yet. Sorry for cutting in your mouse pad, hubby. Cutting 1 centimeter each side. Be careful. Ta-da! I'm also adding a plastic cover since acrylic is too thick to protect my PC from touching my phone case. Time to glue. Be generous so it would not easily peel off. I'm also adding one top to protect the PC or card. This way it will look like a pocket more. Let's try it out. Yay, it's ready to stick in my case. But first, bedazzle. Again, put generous amount of glue so it won't easily peel off. Min Yoonji is home with me always.